In this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix your Roblox Studio not opening. The first thing that we want to do is open up our computer search engine, and here we'll just search for Roblox Studio like this. Find the Roblox Studio app, right click on it, and then open file location. Now from here you will see your Roblox Studio, right click on it once more, and then select open file location here, the first option again. Now this is going to load up the Roblox Studio beta here, and what we want to do is just right click on the Roblox Studio beta, go to properties. Here we will go into the compatibility tab and we will check these options. Run this program in compatibility mode 4, and we want to change this to Windows 7. Disable full screen optimizations and run this program as an administrator. If we have successfully done this, we can click on apply, we can click on OK, and this should fix Roblox Studio not opening. So if we try to open it up now, it should work without any issues. So I really hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub if it did, and I'll see you next time.